All right, so we have a bone stock Adley RT. No, wait, that one's got a NCY exhaust, NCY kit, cylinder kit, jetted carb, and Malossi variator. This one's bone stock.
This one's been de-restricted though.
De-restricted, but other than that, all original. Just doing a comparison on what you can get for just something really mild. So go ahead. So these two guys are the same weight. Again, one is stock, other than we just took the restrictor out of the variator. The second one has really, really entry level, mild parts. It's, I don't know, maybe 2.5 hours worth of work, but it's a NCY big bore kit, NCY exhaust, jetted stock carburetor, and a Malossi variator kit. You'll just see the difference between the two. So again, the red one is the one that's got the kit on it. The black one is stock. So these guys are going for my dead stock. So that's the difference. For about 350, 400, about 400 bucks. Again, both the red bike's really, really mild. It's really simple. What's he doing? I don't know, he's racing himself. All right, go. So there you go. That's the difference. About 450 bucks will do. Not many parts out here. I just took them all down. Here we go. That's NCY big bore kit. That NCY exhaust. The Malossi variator kit. It's going to be like one of these guys here on the wall. And then a jet kit. Like this. So very simple, but it's major difference. So who won? Who's is faster?
Obviously.